Time to go to bed? Oh. The whisper bear might come. We have to whisper. Talk really soft. Because if he hears us, he will come here. Eat the booby. And you won't have any boobies left. No boobies to eat.
Baby.
No boobies. Your mommy's got the cutest socks ever. Yes.
Daddy got us them for us when we were in the hospital.
Just
Socks.
socks. No, you cannot go onto the dresser. Bad.
Did you hear her say socks?
Yeah, socks. Want that brush? Is this the item? Okay. There. That's fun. Hooray. Nice. Now what? Are you going to brush with it? You going to brush the mommy's hair?
No.
You could brush the mommy's hair.
No, thank you. Go brush Tater's hair. I love that.
You could brush the bear. Your bear. Yeah, that's it.
Nice.
Nice brushing.
Good brushing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's good to use the soft bristles on the bear. Yeah, nice.
Cecil hair in there.
Yes. Okay. Time to go to bed. Whisper Bear bedtime.